Good morning, student. Welcome to the Gyanjyoti online classes. I am your English teacher, Mr. Prem Kumar Vadik. Okay. So today discuss class 2 English reader. Okay. Chapter 4 and the chapter name is My Friend Somu. So dear student, we have already making a friend. Friend is an important part of our life. Okay. Friend is a important part of our life. So we make a friend, a good friend, a true friend. So let's read My Friend Somu, a small, very good chapters. Okay. So one of the most important chapter for you, My Friend Somu. So you open book and copy, English book and copy, English reader, page number 32. My Friend Somu. Do you think that the trees and plants around us are our friend? Why? Because some things are also our friend. Some trees are our friend. Some plants are our friend. Okay? Because some trees are around us and they have to give in some fruits. Okay? Some flowers, some woods. Okay? So a part of our life, a trees or plant is very useful. Okay, then you have to make your friend also a green plants, green trees. Okay, and don't cut the trees or plant. Okay, we have to take care of plants or trees. Okay, so let's start the story, a small story. Okay, I was a baby when Somu's mom brought me from a nursery. I was a baby. उस समय एक trees का नाम है सोमू. Not a people, not a thing, not a place. A just trees name, a plant name, small plant's name, like it Somu. Okay. So I was a baby when Somu's mom brought me when a nursery. Okay. सोमू का माँ जो है नर्सरी से जब उसको ट्री को लाए तब वो छोटा था या छोटी. ओके, इट वाज सोमू's बर्थडे एंड दैट टाइम gifted by the birthday, सोमू's बर्थडे. सो जस्ट मिस्टेक वन, सोमू इज one of the boy name, not a tree's name. Okay, just a mistake. It was सोमू's birthday. He had turned 8, not just a plant. Okay, it is a beautiful friendship. So that time Somu's mother given to Somu. Okay, the plant is just 8, turned 8, यानी बहुत ही छोटा था, बड़ा ही नहीं हुआ. So just a plant, it's a beautiful friendship. She had said, you have it, nature is very everyday. Okay, so just mom informed to the Somu, just to have nature every day, and then you will see it will grow with you as you grow. Okay, तो सोमू की माँ बोल रही है कि ये जो है आपको एक गिफ्ट दिया जा रहा है और ये जैसे तुम बढ़ रहे हो उसी तरह ये भी बढ़ेगा अगर तुम इसका ख्याल रखो. 3 years have passed since then 3 years passed. Okay, says then Somu never forget to water me. Then talk about the trees and plants. Somu watering the plants and never forget, and every day puts the waters. Okay, by the tree. He takes such good care of me. Soon I will grow into a big mango tree. Then after times the small plants grow in a big mango tree. एक बड़ा सा मैंगो ट्री हो जाता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे उस सोमू जो है उसका बहुत ही ख्याल रखते हैं और डेली जो है वाटर उसमें या पानी देते रहते हैं. धीरे धीरे सोमू जैसे बढ़ता रहता है तो प्लांट भी बढ़ता रहता है. फाइनली वो एक बड़ा सा मैंगो ट्री बन जाता है. ओके, then when I will go tall, Somu will always have shelter during rainfall. Then a very carefully the Samu always have shelter during rainfall. Okay, because the plant is grew already, then my leaves will give him shade in the summer. And उसके बाद क्या होता है, कभी भी बारिश होता है, क्या होता है, तो उसको बचाने के लिए मैंगो ट्री को बचाने के लिए ज़्यादातर ख्याल रखते हैं। और धीरे धीरे वो जो मैंगो ट्री है वो बढ़ जाता है। उसके बाद बहुत सारे लीव्स यानी कि बहुत सारे वहाँ पे पत्ते हो जाते हैं पेड़ पे। तो उससे क्या होता है, हमें ऐसे जैसे समर का टाइम, जैसे गर्मी का टाइम, हमें उससे छांव मिलता है। ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट, आई जस्ट टेल अबाउट इन हिंदी बिकॉज यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड वेल। ओके, then I will always give him fresh air to breathe. And you know about our trees are always giving us to fresh air, good air, fresh air and breathe. We have to just enjoy and see the green tree. In my shadow, he will have a place to play in winters. Then जब विंटर का महीना आता है, जो ठंडी का महीना आता है, ठीक है, उस समय बच्चे क्या है, पेड़ के नीचे खेलना पसंद करते हैं। ओके, सो जस्ट टेल अबाउट द he will have to place to play in winters. I will shed my leaves to be make so the sunlight. When wind blows, Somu will tie a swing on my branches. Then sometimes Somus are go on the branches on a tree. Okay, then swing on the branches. जो हम लोग झूला भी झूलते हैं, उसी तरह से सोमू भी बच्चा है और वो जो है ट्री के ब्रांचेस में चले जाते हैं और वहाँ पे झूला भी झूलते हैं, कई तरह से खेल खेलते हैं उनके साथ। ओ that what joy it will be to see him eat my ripe and juicy mango. Then also he enjoy the eating ripe and juicy mangoes. और कुछ दिन बाद, जैसे अभी का मैंगो का टाइम चल रहा है, समर में हम लोग क्या है ज़्यादातर आम खाते हैं, उसी तरह से ये सोमू जो है आम का भी मजा ले रहे हैं और उसे जूस भी बना के पी रहे हैं। So Somu loves to draw and others activities is here. Somu loves to draw और सोमू को कुछ बनाना और कुछ ड्रॉ करना भी अच्छा लगता है। He want to be आर्टिस्ट, और क्योंकि उसको एक आर्टिस्ट बनना और आर्टिस्ट होना ये अपने लाइफ में चाहते थे। So he wants to be an artist. He drew a picture of me the other day. I was proud as he could be. He named the picture my mother's gift. Okay, then here is the some picture. Somu making the picture my mother gift, because Somu's mother gifted which day? Birthday. Somu's birthday. So a proud feeling by self a tree, mango tree. So because Somus draw that picture and write my mother gift. ये जो है सोमू का माँ दिया था, इसलिए इसको माय मदर गिफ्ट लिखा गया है और ये है ड्रॉ किया गया है पिक्चर। तो यहाँ पे एक गर्व महसूस होता है, ये बहुत ही गर्व महसूस कर रहे हैं कि मैं जो ट्री होकर भी मेरे को इतना इज्जत मिल रहा है और मेरा जो पिक्चर बन रहा है। I love my friends Somu. One day I will have a tree house on my branches. It will be Somu's own place to paint. Then यहाँ पे I love my friends Somu because by self mango trees. I love my friends Somu. Everyone loves his friend because his friend is a very important for his life or her life. Okay? आप लोग को भी अपना दोस्त अच्छा लगता होगा, उसी तरह से ट्री को, मैंगो ट्री को भी अपना दोस्त जो है अच्छा लग रहा है, सोमू उसका नाम है, और वो चाहता है कि ब्रांचेस का एक हाउस बनाए। आई विल हैव ट्री हाउस ऑन माय ब्रांचेस, ट्री हाउस, ओके, पेड़ का ही घर बन जाए। आई विल इनवाइट माय बर्ड्स टू विजिट सोमू, ओके, एंड आई हैव टू place pen and I will invite my birds to many birds to visit Somu. और बहुत सारे चिड़िया को सोमू को देखने के लिए बुलाऊंगा कि ऐसे भी दोस्त रहते हैं कि इतना केयर करते हैं। और यहाँ पे सोमू को बहुत ही प्रशंसित किया जा रहा है। They will sing sweet song for him when the parents. I will request Peacock to dance for him when it's rain. Then यहाँ पे एक अनुरोध किया जा रहा है कि पीकॉक यानी कि मयूर को कि सोमू के लिए कुछ ऐसे डांस किया जाए। रेडी सीजन में आप लोग जानते हैं जैसे ही बारिश होता है तो पीकॉक जो है डांस करने लगती है। ओके, सो further his brain is better and further his friend is very good and lovable, so trees wanted to his friend to one of the others enjoyable and very important things to make himself peacock to dance for him when it's day. Okay, I wish every tree had friend like Somu. Okay, when are you turning 8? Would you like plants and birthday gift? Not just a plant, it will be a beautiful friendship. Okay, so everyone, just for this story moral is we have to one of the trees planted and you have to care their self, and for the growing you have to care it and watering. Then you have to already have to go through the one of the best plantings and in futures. Then you have to enjoy to eat juicy fruits and you have to selling and just enjoy every season by the trees. Okay, so our chapter is finished. So this chapter is finished, but very important for you. On the small boys, what do you think and what he could be a very carefully for the tree stand, and let's see the picture. Okay, this is a mango trees and one of the boys and draw the picture by the Somu's pictures. Okay, so and this is a shelter. Okay, and this is a small house on the branches of tree. Okay, so let's student here to understand it. Okay, so just we do new words. Okay, you have to open your copy and write down new words. Okay, first you nurture. What is the meaning of nurture? Care for someone. Or something. Write down. It is very important for you. Nurture, care for someone and or something. Shelter. Shelter, a place that gives protection from bad weather. Okay, or danger. So dear student, shelter a place that gives protection from bad weather or danger. Shelter का मतलब जो एक जगह जो कि हमें सुरक्षित रखता है खराब मौसम से और कोई भी खतरा से. Okay, then so dear student, set here cast off. Okay, यहाँ पे set का मतलब cast off. Should observe. We have to observe some place, some area. Okay, some प्लेस और सम एरिया, कोई भी जगह या कोई भी प्लेस जाकर हम लोग देखते हैं कि ठीक है या नहीं। सो द मीनिंग ऑफ सो ऑब्जर्व, रिक्वेस्ट, ask politely, if you request anything you have to once, then you have to request another person, your friend, your mother, your father, everyone. So ask politely. उस समय आप हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि politely से किसी को नम्रता से हम लोग मांगते हैं, कुछ भी मांगना होगा या कुछ भी बोलना होगा तो बहुत ही नम्र हिसाब से हम लोग इसको मांगते हैं। सो दैट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट। ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट, then you have to do some question. I am just doing some question, not all over. Do yourself in rest other question. Just you see the book, tick the correct answer. Okay. Where did Somu's mother bring the plant from? सोमू का माँ जो है कहाँ से प्लांट को लाई? So this is the Hindi meanings. So first A, garden, nursery, orchard. So B is the right answer. Okay, so you have to tick this one. Nursery is the right answer. Then number second, how many years have passed since the plant come from the nursery? How many? 3 years, 8 years, 1 year. So you have to just see in your book. So 3 years. So dear student, number 3 is here. What will the little plant grow up to become? Okay, जो little plant था वो आगे जाके क्या बना? Mango tree, banana tree, rose plant. So obviously we have to know a mango tree. So tick mango tree. A is the right answer. Okay. Then fourth number, what does Somu never forget to do? What? Water the plant. पानी देना कभी नहीं भूला, ठीक है? सोमू कभी भी पानी देना नहीं भूला. So water the plant. What will be a joy for the plant? Okay, to see Somu eats ripe and juicy mangoes. Okay, so which plant cell to see Somu eats ripe and juicy mango is the right answer. So you pick C number. Number 6. What will be Somu's own place to plant? What? A tree house. Okay. What will Somu's own place to plant? A tree house. Okay. A tree house is the right answer. Then you have to do yourself answer this question. If you don't know, then I will ask next class. Okay. Okay. When did Somu mother gift him the plant? Okay. सोनू की माँ सोमू को क्या दिया? Okay. When did Somu's mother gift him the plant? Okay. What will Somu do when the wind blows? What made the plants as proud as a tree could be? What does Somu want to be when he grows up? Who will the plants invite to visit Somu? Okay. So this one 1 to 5 number. If you don't know, then I will ask next class. Then you have to open page number 36. Okay. So what does the plant want to do Somu during summer, winter, or rain? So I will answer in the lines, one line each. Okay. So here some sentence is here and some picture is here. Okay. First picture Somu standing. Okay. Then our sun is over our head. Then here Somu just standing. Okay. And just third number, Somu is standing and enjoy the rainy season. So we have to write one line in summer, in winter, in rains. Okay. Then you have to do yourself. Discuss, do you want to have a tree house just like Somu? What you do there? अगर आप चाहते हो कि ट्री एक हाउस बने, so first you have to plant it a small trees Okay, then you have to watering and take care of plants. Okay, then you have to enjoy grow up the plants. Okay, then vocabularies. Here is some picture. Rearrange the letter in the following words to form new meaningful words for hint. Look at the picture. Okay, so just rearrange. Okay, so first I have just written roach. Okay, first number just I do roach is the right answer. Then number second leap. ओके, इधर उधर उसको आप लोग को रीअरेंज करके लिखना है इन बॉक्स में. ओके, लीप. सो यू हैव टू डू योरसेल्फ एंड यू हैव टू डू योरसेल्फ नंबर 4 आल्सो. 5 is here earth. Okay, so this question is also doing in yourself. Okay, it's very easy, not difficult. Read this line aloud. How many times can you say it? So you have to read this one. Okay, then you have to open page number 38. What? 38. Just a grammar section. What are the people in this picture doing? Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. Okay, here is some picture is here first picture, a mom cooking in the kitchen. Okay, a baby slept in a cot. Then you have to see a baby named Bina test a soup, and here playing a game. A boy's name is Rama. So first we have to do yourself. Okay, first number is my mother ready dinner on Friday. Which day? Friday. His mother is ready for dinner on Friday. The baby sleep in cot. Bina taste tomato soup, and Raman play games for an hours every day. Okay, we just fill the some words. Okay, some sentence is completed. So here the words cooks tells us what mother is doing, and the words sleep tells us what the baby is doing. Similar words like eats and plays tell us what Bina and Raman do. These are doing words. Doing words are also called verb. So remember student, these are doing words. What are these? Are doing words. So these are doing words. Doing words are also called verb as a verb. So we have to write in your copy. How do you remember words that show action? What action are called doing words or okay, or verbs. So dear student, first see the blackboard and understand it. Words that show action. If any words you have to show any action, कुछ करते हुए दिखाई देता है, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Doing words और verb भी बोला जा सकता है. ठीक है? So are you clear this one? Then you have to see the next number. Circle the correct doing words or verb. Complete this sentence. Okay? See the book. So just I take some words. Then you have to circle it. Okay? You have to circle it. Circles mean this one is circle. Okay? So you have to this type you have circle. If word is correct. Okay? The doing word is correct or verb is correct. The boys swim in the pond. तालाब में जो है बच्चे जो हैं तैरते हैं. So swim. Here is swim. So you have to circle it. Okay? Just I did the answer. The children sit on chair in the school. Sit is the correct answer. So we have to circle it. We laugh when mother tell us funny stories. तो ये यहाँ पे थर्ड नंबर लाफ होगा। मम्मी जब कोई फनी स्टोरी सुनाते हैं उस समय हम लोग ऑब्वियसली हंसते हैं। सो लाफ इज द राइट आंसर। सो यू हैव टू सर्कल इट। ग्रैंडमदर वर्क्स वेरी स्लोली because some grandmothers are not working properly because old age is very difficult. Okay, so works is the very work is the right answer. So you have to circle it. The ball rolls across the floor. So here the right answer is rolls. So you have to circle it. Okay, so this question answer is completely okay, you know. And then pronunciation, read those words aloud. Okay, so you have to allow these words. Okay, some word is here under, jumper, numb, scurry, scrub, oven, brother, come, worry, log. So some word is here, so you have to just read aloud. Okay, do not any write or anything else. So you have to just loudly read. Okay, note the sound of vowel. U is the words yellow triangles. Okay, just you know, note in your copy. Vowel words is here yellow side triangles this side. So U vowels words, compare them with the sound of vowel O in the words in pink triangle. Do they sound similar to difference? Okay, then pink side you have to see the sound of O. Okay, so pink triangles you have to see this. Then lastly fill in the blanks by choosing correct answer. Okay, I have to do or done here. Okay, so just you see fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer. What is the correct answer? You have to see this. The dash flare to the tree. Dawn. Okay, flare, dawn. Then second number, can I have some ice cream please? I invite my friends to come to the run with me. The fourth number, bears love to eat honey but not money. So dear student, first number I have to just repeat. Okay, the dove, here you have to tick. Okay, the dove is the correct answer, not dawn. Dove new to the flare to the tree. Okay, can I have some ice cream? Some is the correct answer. Number third, I invite my friend to come to the park with me. Okay, bears love to eat honey, not the money. So honey is the right answer. The gardeners use a shovel to dig the soil. Shovel is the right answer, not cover. Shovel is the right answer. So we have to tick shovel. I have to go from an appointment with the dentist on Monday, not Monday. On Monday is the right answer. So we have to tick Monday. Then 7 number 2, pandas eat any food other than bamboo leaves. Okay, not ever. Others is the right answer. Then 8 number, there are 12 pieces in one dozen. Which how many pieces? 12 pieces in one dozen. Okay. Just like on an example, banana. How many pieces in one dozen? 12 pieces. 12 pieces. Okay. Then this is the section for your doing listening and speaking. Listen to the audio and mark the sentence as right or wrong. Okay, so you have to listen and speaking. This is section for yourself and you have to do it. Okay, so listen the audio and mark this sentence right or wrong. Okay, then composition is small story, then you have to complete it in your home. This is not important for you, just enjoyable. Okay, just enjoyable. If you know, then you have to do this. If you don't know, then leave it. Okay, why does people cut trees? Just I have to question you, why do people cut trees? Why is cutting trees do not a good idea? Talk to the class about it. Okay, you have to discuss your friend why we have to cut the trees, and why do not we have to plant a tree. Okay, which is the best for us, and which is the best for our earth and our environment. So first we think we have to cut trees, or we have to plant it a many trees. So this moral story, we have to just save tree. Okay, and we have to more than one. Okay, if you in your life, whole life, you have to one or two, you have to do yourself many, you have to plant it a tree, but you have must plant it one tree, then is very good for your life and good for our environmental. Okay, so dear student, just complete this story. Okay, complete it. So we have to yourself just you read about the related story and understand it. Okay, first you read aloudly and do yourself all the question answer. Okay, if you don't know, then we have to call me some numbers from your WhatsApp group. Okay, if you don't know, then don't worry, don't fear, and I am asking some question answer if you don't know. So dear student, today we have to complete my friend Somu chapter number 4. This is very interesting for you, and I hope you have to understand all the stories and share with your friend and do your home all the question answer. Okay, so finally I have to just inform you, a coronavirus is when increases in our across all over our India, in our Odisha. So save yourself, stay your home, better for you and your family. Okay, and you have to wash time to time in your hand and sanitize your room. Okay, and you have to stay in your home and save your life. Okay, so thank you very much.